Hello, this is Sherline Milling Machine DRO install project report. I'm going to call it 3A. I'm attaching the 20-second video clip of the longitudinal axis of my milling machine moving and the DRO indicating such. You can tell it I'm making it move, and the DRO says it's moving. It's called teaching. Plus, I understand a lot of you people just don't want to watch a long shop video. See how I make things. Of course, you're also missing out on all my best material, because when I'm out in the shop and I'm working, I go away. Sometimes these free association things happen in my head, and I go blah, 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 and I know that someone out there just snorted beer out their nose when they hear that line, and you're gonna miss it.